Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix REANIMAL game crashing, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, stuck on black screen or simply black screen issue or freezing problem on PC. So here follow the fixes. First fix is to simply restart your PC. So just restart your PC once and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Second fix is to modify the game launch options. You can try -dx11, -dx12 or -d3d11. So open Steam, go to library, right click on REANIMAL game and then select properties. Now in the launch options type -dx11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties. This time type -dx12, launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then again go to game properties and this time type -d3 d11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then again go to the game properties and then remove the launch options and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to Windows security users allow the game exe files to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then click on manage ransomware protection. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps and then go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Then open the REANIMAL game folder. Then open the Everholm folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and here you will see this REANIMAL exe file. So select this and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, then click on allow another app and then click on browse. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, common folder, open the REANIMAL game folder, open the Everholm folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and then select the REANIMAL exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case, it is already added. Here it is. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked marked. Then click on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Comodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well and then check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 4 is to run the game from the game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on REANIMAL game and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder, open the Everholm folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Now double click this REANIMAL exe file to launch the game and check if it fixes your problem or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, then hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then select run this program in compatibility mode for from drop down here select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then select Windows 7 from the drop down, then hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then untick all these 3 boxes, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. So what you have to do, you have to search and select your current graphic card driver version and reinstall it. And after installing it, then you can launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, scroll down and then enter your graphic card driver version over here. Then select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, you have to run it. So run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select the custom advanced option and then hit on next. And then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then try to launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair button, then click on repair, and if you see install button, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the REANIMAL game folder, open the Everholm folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Now select this REANIMAL exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select the high performance and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 8 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on REANIMAL, select properties, go to installed files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% of the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to disable overlay. So disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on REANIMAL game, select properties, and in the general tab, you will see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just turn it off, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner. Click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then try to relaunch the game and check. Fix 11 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update. Then click on Check for Updates. And if you find any updates available for your Windows PC, then download and install them. And after installing them, just restart your PC once. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all of the fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall the REANIMAL game from your PC, then just restart your PC and then reinstall the REANIMAL game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve REANIMAL game crashing, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or stuck on infinite loading screen, or stuck on black screen, or black screen issue, or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.